One Car Spotter 2.0 here. We're back with another unboxing video. Today, we're actually unboxing something different. A motorcycle. That's right, you guys. We're unboxing a motorcycle. Oh, this is no ordinary motorcycle. This one is a 2008 Harley Davidson 1200. I figured you guys know a lot about this kind of bike. And I actually know that one of my guys actually owned one. He had it for 14 years. It was a long time. And for bike years. And he actually took great care of it. So, Bob, if you're watching this video right now, comment down below and see what you think about this motorcycle. And we unboxing. Okay, you guys, right now it's time to unbox it and get a closer look. And that's this Harley Davidson motorcycle. Now supposedly this one's actually easy to get out. Alright. It's out. It is out. Check out this one. And the paint job is blue. And a little hard to see though. But there is the Harley Davidson her logo. Right on the fuel tank. And it says 1200 right here, just like on the other Harley Davidson and 1200 that I happen to know in real life. So yeah, everything about this one looks very like the real thing. It's great just to have one of these. Now let's go take a look at the other side. And so, but here's the engine right here, which happens to be a V8. In fact, all the Harley Davidson motorcycles have V8 engines in them. Which is why they're proudly built in the US. In fact, the brand itself has been around for a long time. I believe over 100 years ago. Well, I think that's it for this video. So I will put in the bike right here. And tell you guys that the video is now done. Hope you guys like this one. I'll see you all soon. Bye.